Hey everyone! Welcome back to Groovy English. I'm Kate, and today we're going to learn how to ask for and give directions in English. This is super useful when you're in a new city and need to find your way. Let's get started.
Excuse me, could you help me? I'm trying to find the train station.
Sure. It's about a 5-minute walk from here.
Great. Could you tell me how to get there?
Of course. So, first go straight down this road until you reach the main intersection.
Okay, so I go straight. What then?
When you get to the intersection, turn left. You'll see a big shopping mall on your left side.
All right, so I turn left at the intersection. What's next?
Keep walking straight until you see a park. The park will be on your right.
Got it. Go straight, and there's a park on the right.
Exactly. After you pass the park, you'll see a small coffee shop. The train station is just across from that coffee shop.
Oh, I see. So after the park, I keep walking until I see the coffee shop, and then the train station is right across from it.
That's right. You can't miss it. It's a big building with a sign.
Thanks a lot. Is the train station far from here?
Not at all. It should take you about 5 minutes to walk there.
Perfect. That sounds easy enough.
Enjoy your trip and have a great day.
Thank you so much for your help. You too.
Key vocabulary and phrases. Excuse me, could you help me? It's a polite way to ask for assistance. I'm trying to find the train station. Use this phrase to let someone know what you're looking for. Go straight down this road. People say so to give direction to continue on the current path. Turn left at the intersection. Use this phrase to indicate a specific turn at a junction. You'll see a big shopping mall on your right. This describes landmarks people will see to guide someone. After you pass the park, you'll see a small coffee shop. It's a way to give directions with reference to objects or places. You can't miss it. It's a reassuring phrase meaning the place is easy to find. It should take about 5 minutes. It's a way to give an estimated time for reaching a destination. Perfect. That sounds easy enough. Use this phrase to express understanding and reassurance. Enjoy your trip. It's a friendly farewell. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to ask for and give directions in English. These phrases are perfect for when you're traveling and need to get around. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun and helpful English conversations on Groovy English. See you next time.